Good morning, all. Today our topic is peephole optimization. Peephole optimization is applied to improve the performance of program by examining a short sequence of instructions in a window. That window is called peephole, and replaces the instructions by faster or short sequence of instructions. So nothing but peephole is nothing but a window. Peephole is nothing but a window. Instead of examining the entire program, we examine a short sequence of instructions, and if there are any possibility, we replace those instructions by a short sequence of instructions or faster instructions. There are different techniques available in peephole optimization. Those are redundant instruction elimination. Second one is removal of unreachable code. Third one is flow of control optimization, and fourth one is algebraic specification. These are the four different types of techniques which are available in peephole optimization. So the first one is redundant instruction elimination. So redundant instruction elimination, this is the source code. Int add 10 int x begin int y comma z, y equal to 10, z equal to x plus y, return z. This is the source code, and here I have taken three variables, and all the three variables are integer type. The three variables are x comma y comma z, and all the three variables are x, y, z. All the three variables are integers, and I have assigned y equal to 10 here. I have assigned y equal to 10, and I have taken x as something. So then the statement z equal to x plus y, nothing but x has something, x plus y, y equal to 10, return z. So this is the source code, and here I want to reduce the source program into redundant instruction elimination. Nothing but here I want in the second code, here I have eliminate instructions into redundant instructions. Nothing but here I have, instead of three variables here, I have only two variables. Those are x and y. Nothing but int add 10 int x int y, and y equal to 10, y equal to x plus y, return y. Here I can require three variables, and here I can require only two variables. Nothing but y. Here I can eliminate z value. So this is second step, and in third step, assignment and declaration can be done in single step. Here int y, nothing but I can declare int y in one step, and I can assign y equal to 10 here. Instead of two statements, here I can require int y equal to 10. Nothing but assignment and declaration can be done in one step, return x plus y, and in fourth one, int add 10 int x, return x plus 10. So here comparing with the 1 to 4, we can we can eliminate the redundant instructions. We can eliminate the redundant instruction. This is the first one, and second one. The second technique is removal of unreachable code. Removal of unreachable. Nothing but here I can declare I equal to 0. I have declared I equal to 0. If I equal to 1, begin sum equal to 0. So if I equal to 1, if already I value equal to 0, if I equal to 1, nothing but 0 equal to 1. 0 equal to 1 is condition is false. So body did not be executed. Here the body never can be executed. So and optimization code for this one is nothing but optimization code equal I equal to 0. This is only for optimization code. Here the statements cannot be executed because here the I equal to 0, nothing but 0 equal to 1. 0 equal to 1 is never be true. Next one, third one is flow of control optimization. So there are the instances in a code where the program control jumps back and forth without performing any significant task. The jumps can be removed here. So for example, move R1 comma R2, go to L1, L1 go to L2, L2 increment R. Here go to L1 means the control here the go to L1 means the control jumps to L1 and without performing any operation, L1 is saying go to L2. L1 go to L2. L1 is saying go to L2 and increment R1 operation is performed. Nothing but go to L1 means the control jumps to L1. Go to L1 means the control jumps to L1 and without performing anything any operation, L1 is saying go to L2 and increment R1 operation is written. So instead of writing these statements, I can write move R1 comma R2 go to L2, L2 increment R1. In this code, L1 can be removed and it is in this pass the control goes to L2. So instead of jumping to L1 and L2, the control directly reaches to L2. Nothing but move R1 comma R2 go to L2. Nothing but here we can eliminate this statement go to L2 and L2 operation directly perform L2 increment R1. This is the flow of control optimization. And the next one is, and the last operation is algebraic simplifications. These are the occasions where algebraic expression can be made simple. Nothing but example x equal to x plus 0. It can be replaced by x itself. X equal to x plus 0, nothing but x equal to x here. Why? Because x plus 0 does not having any value, and x equal to x plus 1. It can be simply by replacing increment x. Nothing but x equal to increment x. Nothing but inc increment x. Nothing but x equal to meaning is x plus 1. So this is the peephole optimization. Thank you.